Today we're going to do a 5-minute glute workout. I have some options to modify to make this easier or harder as we go. We'll do 30 seconds per exercise with no to minimal rest between exercises. So options for making things a little harder would be a band, a loop, or a dumbbell, anywhere 3 to 10 pounds. Okay, we'll start on our backs. Got my timer. And for the first exercise, we'll start with a bridge to warm up. Rounding that low back into the ground, tucking the tail, squeezing the glutes to lift the hips. So squeezing the lift, relaxing the lower, trying not to arch the low back as you go up. So try not to go too high and arch into the low back. If you want to make this a little harder, don't go all the way down. Come halfway down and pulse back up. You can also add a dumbbell onto the hips here to make this one a little bit harder. Just getting the glutes firing, warming up, and that's our 30 seconds. We'll roll onto the side. And in that sideline position, we'll start with the leg lifts. So lifting out and back to get the glute med, tipping hips forward a little bit in that start position. Toes pointing down towards the floor, and you want to start to feel this one right where your back pocket would be. Try not to go too high or rock back as you go. Just controlled movement. There's our 30 seconds. We'll bend the knees, tip the hips forward, pop the feet into the air, and we'll start the clamshell. Not a huge movement here. Again, you want to avoid rocking the whole body, keeping those hips tipped forward, feet together. And you should be feeling some work happen here. You might be feeling it in the bottom hip as well. After this one, we'll switch sides and we'll do those same two on the other side. And switching sides. And we'll start with our leg kicks. You can always add the band around the thighs if you need a little more resistance with any of these. Feel free to pause me and throw that band on. Five, 4, 3, 2, and then we'll go into that clamshell, knees bent, feet up in the air, and lifting and lowering. Not a huge movement, trying to feel it deep in that glute. Might be feeling the bottom hip work as well. And after this one, we're going to transition onto the hands and knees. 2, 1, and we'll go hands and knees. For this one, I'm going to add the variation of the weight right in the crook of the knee. You can certainly add the band around the thighs, and we're going to start lifting back. 30 seconds here. Trying to keep that back nice and level, not arching or rotating the back. Back stays flat and neutral. Movement is coming at the hip. We're getting that glute max now, more pure hip extension. Probably feeling the other hip stabilizing. 5, 4, 3, 2, you got this. And then we'll go into a donkey kick. So now opening the knee, again, keeping the hips level, not letting the back move here. Should be feeling a good burn in that glute. After this one, we'll switch sides. switch my weight here. Got the band around your thighs, that's great. And other side, we'll go straight back. Keeping that back neutral, not arching or rotating the back. Having a strong butt is so good for hip pain, back pain. Getting good at moving that hip without the low back moving is a really good skill. And we'll start that outer, bringing the knee out to the side and open. Not a huge movement. We're not moving the low back. Probably feeling both hips working now. And only one more exercise after this. Short and sweet. Get a good booty burn going. And for the next one, we'll be on our stomachs. All right, last 30 seconds, we'll move on to the stomach. And we'll get some back strength going as well. So here we're just gonna squeeze and lift, and we're gonna go for a 30-second hold. So getting the glutes working, getting the low back working, working between the shoulder blades. If you want more challenge, you can bring the arms out in front of you. You can also add a flutter kick with the legs, if that feels good. Or just holding here. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Nice work.